Hi, welcome back. Another important field, shipping conditions and its priority in sales order. Why I'm calling it's a priority, how you have delivering planned is defined based on try criteria, either from customer material info record or else BP master, and third is your material master. In the similar way, shipping conditions from where it is coming, from which place it is coming, and what is the priority that we're going to discuss in this session. Okay, so let's try to check shipping conditions. What exactly shipping conditions? Okay, shipping conditions, it can be like suppose if you would like to deliver certain goods, okay, it might be based on time frame. Okay, so if you would like to deliver within a couple of hours, within a 24 hours, or else within it might be depends on the location where the loading is going to happen. Okay, so kind of the material what you are sending to your customer. Okay, so without shipping conditions, you cannot able to determine shipping point in standard. Okay. Without shipping point, you cannot able to deliver the goods to your customer. Okay. Basically, what shipping point talks about? So the place where you can able to the departure point where you can able to do your pick, pack, and load activities. All these things going to happen at shipping point level. If you don't know shipping point, you don't know all these activities. Okay. So what is the role of shipping conditions? Okay. Shipping conditions can be common. Suppose if you assign in document type, okay, so it is common for all the customers who are going to create sales order under this particular document, or else based on uh, BP master, BP customer master also, you can able to define your shipping conditions. Then what is the priority? The first thing, if you define a shipping condition 0, 1 or else 10. So for example, if you say that if you so comparison we'll see second. Let's try to check how to define a shipping condition. That is very, very important. Okay, before that, let's come here. For example, so I'm just trying to create a sales order with this customer. Okay, not even item. Okay, if you look at the shipping, okay, you can able to see this. This is the shipping condition. This you can able to change manually how you want it. Okay, this is fine. From where it is coming, let's go to the your BP master. Okay, this is the partner we entered. Okay, here what is the shipping conditions? 0, 1 it is assigned. Okay, so shipping condition is one of the key criteria to determine your shipping point in the sales order. Okay, what shipping point you got it? Let's try to check here. So let's try to go to the item level. Okay, press enter. So click here. Okay, and if you look at this shipping, so what is this? The shipping point is assigned. The shipping point is assigned to this plant, and the shipping point is determined based on the shipping condition combination. Your shipping point determination. What are all there for your shipping point determination? Shipping conditions. Okay. So it can be either from your document type or customer master. For example, 0, 1 in this case. And next one is loading group. Okay. Loading group. And third one is your delivering plant. And your assigned shipping point. Okay. So here loading group, what we have assigned 0001 and planned and DRP3 and so DPS3 or something like that. Okay. What is that? Let me try to check here. So the shipping point is the DRS3. Okay. So where we can able to find it? SPRO, reference IMG, come here, sales and distribution, not sales and distribution, go to the logistics execution and go to the shipping. in the shipping, basic shipping functions, and go to shipping point and goods receiving point determination. This is the little lengthier path. You can able to see this assign shipping points. So let's check this. The combination 01, 0001, DR, P3. Okay, so your shipping conditions is mandatory to determine your shipping point in the sales order. Okay, without shipping point, you cannot able to deliver the goods for your customer. Any delivery transaction starts mandatory. You require two elements. The first one is your shipping point, and second one is your delivering plant. Okay, and let's try to understand this where you can able to define shipping conditions. Okay, so let's try to go to the shipping conditions here. This is the path. All these are the different shipping conditions. For example, I'm just defining one more shipping conditions, ZR. That means rush. Okay, rush order. Okay, so maybe in regular sales order only within 48 hours. Okay, so it's not rush order actually. If I would like to define within 48 hours, 100% these shipping conditions need to be determined. So customer requirement is like that. So for customer, for example, if you see this, he can able to change manually, or else I have a specific document type to determine this rush order. Okay, so this is for 40 hours, 48 hours, not immediate. Okay, so let's try to assign the shipping point. Okay, so my shipping conditions is ZR. Okay, 48 hours. So loading group is this one, and plant I'm just putting DR P1. Okay, always rush orders it is coming from DR P1. Okay, DR S1. So the criteria is like this. Okay, so let's try to go for Vivo V8. So I have two document types, ZOR1. Okay, I'm just copying. This is one of the requirement you can take. This is how it works, the requirements. Okay, this is not actual standard rush order, but still I'm telling rush sale within 48, within 48, 48 hours. Okay, this is the document type. So let's press enter. Okay, let's save this. I would like to tell you one important question here in this process. So you might get this kind of questions if the interviewer would like to check your standard knowledge. And it is again important at the time of configuring and doing requirements for any special process beyond your standard for your customer. So let's save this. Okay, so this is JADWO R2, right? So let me try to show you something here. /n BA01. Okay, so come back, not this one. JADWO R2 I have taken. I'm just taking the same customer. So let me try to enter. What is this? Transaction N1P1 not defined. Okay, so let's go to Vivo V8. Don't worry about this Vivo R1. Let's copy and let's create Vivo R2. Okay, So now let's go leave about the previous document type and do R2. I'm just going. Let's try to enter this shipping card. Okay. Let's try to enter this material. So now if you look at this, so what is the shipping point? It is determined. So DRP3 from your customer material info record, right? Or else it can be from your customer master also. Let's do one thing. Let's try to take any other material. Okay. I'll just take this material. So for this info record, it is not maintained. Okay. So if you click this material, so it is DRP1. That means it is coming from your material master. Okay. Not even from your customer master. For example, I would like to check the shipping conditions. Okay. So let's go to the header for both. So come here, shipping. So shipping conditions, it is 01. Okay. 01 means header, it is 100%. Obviously, it is coming from your BP master. Okay. So let's click this. You can able to see this. This is the shipping conditions. So now what is the priority? So always when you compare with your document type, okay. So compared with your document type, BP master 01 shipping conditions assigned. Okay. So let's try to make this one as text. Okay. So here what is maintained? 01 shipping conditions maintained. Here we are going to maintain JDR for testing. So now let's see the priority. Always document type. There is no doubt on that. So this is what I would like to check your knowledge. So let's go to Vivo V8. So let's go to Vivo R2. Okay, for our interest we have created. Now let's try to check. If I want, I can able to make it this one as a rush order. That is different story, but I don't want to do that. This is a special scenario with just for checking your shipping conditions. So let's make it rush 48 hours. Okay. So here rush 48 hours at document type definition level. Understand this. Okay. As per our criteria, here we maintain JDR, right? So here what we maintain, this is for 01 is for your BP master. Okay. But always priority goes to your document type only. That's what we're going to test now. Okay. For your understanding, I'm showing you again. Here, if you assign shipping conditions, okay, JDR, and let me go to the BP. I will show you. So for this business partner customer role, we have assigned 01. Let's try to have a test. Okay. So VA01, Divo R2. Let's enter the customer. Now check the shipping conditions first. It's coming on header only. See, JDR is coming, not 01. Okay. That means document type has a priority when you compare it with your BP master or customer master in ECC. Okay. Now go to shipping conditions. So DRP1 is the plant and shipping point is determined here. Okay. So now let's go to what I would say. Let me try to check. This is JDR for rush order, right? So now let's go to SPRO, reference IMG. So let's go to the sales and distribution. Not here, logistics execution, and again shipping and basic shipping functions. Here comes shipping point and goods receiving point determination. So now let's go to the SI. Okay. So let's go to the table view and let's try to compare it. So if I click on print, okay, let's select this. Let me put it TR star. Okay. See, now JDR is maintained for this one. Okay. Since we copied, right? That's why JDR came for this one. Okay. If I would like to change for another combination, that also I can able to do it. Okay. Now let's go to Vivo V8. Okay. Let's go to Vivo R2. So here, let me try to remove this. Okay. So what it will happen? Obviously, it should pick from your customer master or customer material info record. Let's put this one. Now check the shipping conditions. So once I remove, it must be copied from your BP master. This is how it works. Okay. So if you would like to create delivery also, I can able to create it. That is a different story. So it doesn't matter. So copy control is missing. So let's see in future scenarios, without shipping point, without shipping conditions, without delivering plant, you cannot able to do the delivery process. What is the basic advantage? What are the points you will learn for shipping conditions? If you maintain document type and BP master, okay, this is the first priority. Okay, this is always second. Okay, if you maintain here and here, always it takes. If you don't maintain here also, it will take here. So if you don't maintain here, then only it will take. All these are three cases you can able to test it. Okay. And second thing is that it is useful for your shipping point determination. Okay. That's what you learned. And third one is it's specifically used for route determination. This is also one of the criteria. Probably we'll discuss this one separately, route determination. Till that time, signing off. If you really wanted to learn, please subscribe my YouTube channel for further learning. If you really wanted to have dedicated learning, all these are the different courses at my end. If you look at this, this is one of my prime course for S4 HANA sales. You can try this course, and this is for your condition contract management. So these prices vary. Certain time you will get it for 500 to 600 rupees. If you are from India, you can try all these two courses. You will not get disappointed. Okay. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Don't forget to comment and write something so that it will create a interest for me also to get back to you. Thanks so much. Have a great